Vicky Kaushal. He is a graduate from Mumbai's Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology. He graduated in the year 2009 with a degree in electronics and telecommunications. He even got a job offer, but he refused the job as he felt more connected towards Bollywood than engineering. Sushant Singh Rajput. This late actor got 7th rank in All India Entrance Exam for engineering and was pursuing his studies in engineering from Delhi Technical University. But after few semesters, the actor decided to leave the studies to follow his dreams to become an actor. Taapsee Pannu. This talented actress completed her studies of engineering from Guru Tegh Bahadur Institute of Technology in New Delhi. She graduated with a computer science engineering degree and got a job too, but soon realized that she wants to become an actress. Kartik Aaryan. This actor came to Mumbai to pursue his studies of engineering in biotechnology from D.Y. Patil College of Engineering. While studying at the college, the actor started trying his luck in Bollywood by giving auditions and got his first break from Love Ranjan. Kriti Sanon. This actress got graduated from JP Institute of Informational Technology at Noida. After graduating from engineering college, this actor realized that she wants to join Bollywood, which is why she came to Mumbai from Delhi. Sonu Sood. The savior of many people's lives, Sonu Sood is actually an engineer and completed his degree in Yashwantrao Chauhan College of Engineering in Nagpur. But he was more interested into Bollywood, so he started doing modeling assignments before acting. R. Madhavan. The chocolate boy of Bollywood, R. Madhavan, is an engineer in real life. He completed his engineering from Raja Ram College in Kolhapur. He also have a degree in public speaking, but he wanted to become an actor and successfully fulfill his dream. Ritesh Deshmukh. This talented actor is a graduate in architectural engineering from Kamla Raheja College of Architecture in Mumbai. But the actor had more interest on acting rather on engineering, so he joined the Bollywood. Jitendra Kumar. This actor is a graduate with a degree in civil engineering from IIT Kharagpur. But the actor was more keen towards acting than engineering, which is why he joined the showbiz. Amol Parashar. This young actor has a degree in mechanical engineering and is a graduate from IIT Delhi. This actor has done multiple web series and was also spotted in several movies. Amisha Patel. This actress is a biogenetic engineer graduate from Tufts University of Massachusetts, USA. Also, this actress is a gold medalist in economics too, but she chose Bollywood as her profession.